Okay, I'm changing to this one, yes. All right, so get comfy, lean back if you want to, take something in your hand, whatever you feel is right. Just let that day with all sensations and impacts just pass by. It's all good as it is. And okay. So, sorry, I was just changing some light. And so whatever distracts you, whatever is going on, just use this opportunity to train your own muscle of attention and awareness. And of course, if you need to check something in the outer world, it's absolutely your own free choice. So just tap into your hands, in your movements, in your touch, in your sensations. And without going in too much details, just allow yourself just to sense and to feel with your hands different data points, if you would say so, like temperature. Is it smooth or soft? Is it fragile? And then slow more down. Again, the slower you go, the more you will feel. So, as I normally say, slow down by half and by half again. And just explore and experiment different areas. And as well, change between moving one hand over the object or moving the object over the other hand. And when you find a spot somewhere that feels just pleasant and nice, and we're looking here for this tinglish electromagnetic pleasant sensation. Just stay there and feel, sense why you are in action by choice. Experience. And at this point of time, I'd like to ask you, how much do you value this experience? How much do you appreciate that. How much worth do you put in your own action for your own experience? How important is it to you? How important are you to yourself with your experiences? And how much do you choose to make that your foundation? Feeling, sensing while you are in action, filling up your cup. Receive for yourself. What does it need for yourself to anchor that in your system? Deep down in there, there's this memory, remembering that was there a long time before you could even think and speak your name. And are you 100% ready to embrace yourself? Stop neglecting this, maybe call it your birthright, to feel, to sense, where so much is built on. Are you worth it? Are your feelings worth it? Not for me, not for your parents or your partner or anybody else, for yourself. Can you put yourself in the first row? How important are you to yourself? Is that important enough? throwing it down the drain next time when somebody's offering you an ice cream instead. So my invitation is to ground yourself, really root yourself. That's the core of your skin to feel and sense when you move. Sensual, pleasurable. Accessing the infinite of the present moment through your skin, through touch. Nowhere to go, nothing to get, nothing to give, just to be and to feel and to sense. And can you remember yourself touching and feeling when you are with others? Can you recall there's no performing here, no pretending. It either is or it isn't. And as always, the choice is absolutely yours. And just feel free to explore and sense and feel a few moments longer. Whenever you're ready in your own speed, in your own time, slow down your movement till you stop. And again, the invitation is to continue that during the entire call. And just notice what you notice within yourself. So all feelings are welcome. You are welcome. When you're ready, then open your eyes, orient yourself somehow, somewhere, and bring your attention back to the screen. Anything that you would like to share?